In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update to the latest Android version. First, let's get started by opening your phone's Settings app. You can find this icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Tapping this will take you to a menu where you can adjust various settings for your device. This is an important step because accessing the Settings app is the gateway to all the options that will help keep your phone updated and running smoothly. Once you have the Settings app open, you are ready for the next step. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on either System or About Phone. Depending on your device, the option may vary slightly. If you see System, tap that option. If you see About Phone, tap there instead. This section provides crucial information about your device, including the current version of Android you are using. It is essential to reach this part of the menu as it will guide you to the software update options. Once you have selected System or About Phone, you will be able to proceed to check for updates. Now, select System Update or Software Update. This choice is typically located within the System section. Tapping on this will take you to a screen where you can see if there are any available updates for your device. Staying updated with the latest software is important because it brings new features, security patches, and improvements that enhance your overall experience. This step ensures you are on the right track towards keeping your phone secure and efficient. After selecting the Update option, you are almost ready to check for any available updates. At this point, tap Check for Update. This action prompts your device to connect to the internet and look for the latest software available for download. You may see a progress bar or spinning icon while your device searches for updates. It's a simple yet crucial step as it allows your phone to communicate with Google's servers. If there is an update available, your device will notify you and you'll be able to see the details about what the update includes. Be patient during this step as it may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Finally, if an update is available, tap Download and Install or Update. After tapping this option, wait for the download to finish. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. Once the download is complete, you will be prompted to tap Restart Now to apply the installation. This step is significant because it ensures that the new update is correctly installed on your device. The restart process may take a few minutes, but it is a necessary step to finalize the update. After the update is applied, your phone will be running the latest version of Android, enhancing your user experience and device performance. Now you have successfully updated your Android device, keeping it secure and efficient. Regular updates help ensure your phone runs smoothly and provides the best possible experience. Thank you for following along and enjoy your updated Android experience.